welcome to this video where we are given that there are vases produced by two production lines, line 1 and line 2, and the table shows the results. Okay, which production line has a lower percentage of defective vases? So of course, I am then going to calculate the percentage for each line. Okay, so for easy, I'm going to use the red for line 1, red color, and the percentage. And so, the production line, the percentage. These defective vases for line 1. This one will be equals to, there are 3 of them, divided by total number of vases that is inspected. If we want to find the percentage, we multiply by 100%. This will be equals to 10%. Now, for line 2, so I'm going to just have this line 2, I'm going to push it up a bit. Line 2, there's 2. For line 2, there is 2 defective out of 21. So, 2 over 21 multiplied by 100%. This will give me a value of 9.5238. This one is to 5 significant figure, followed by 3 significant figure, and from here, line 1, the percentage is 10%, line 2, the percentage is 9.52%, 3SF. So, which production line has a lower percentage of defective vases? Very good. So, the final answer, line 2. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.